which is the insanely meticulous job of cutting and fitting masking tape in to spray this. I think it'd be easier to take the gauges off of this, take the badges off at this point, but we're doing it. We are cutting and fitting, and we gotta cut and fit more, I can see. And they're better. To black out the badges. The front end, I'm putting another coat on the forward badge, which has been looking pretty badass. I do say so myself when I see it sitting in the parking lot. And I painted this a high gloss, so I gotta repaint. And definitely need to replace the fog lights here. But I'm not sure how well it's holding up. Terrible run there. I sanded those just because they looked so bad, cracked and brittle and everything. I like the end, look at the front end with it wide open like that, but not with all those little teeth things there. So we're gonna put this ugly thing back on eventually, but it's definitely getting a redo somehow. Maybe it's just the Valspar brand. Plasti-Dip is junk, I don't know. Yeah, definitely don't like it with blue down there now. Now the badge is all blacked out, I don't think. I don't know, it's hard to tell. It's hard to say, I should say. I got this license plate thing just in case I needed a new one, because the other one's kind of mussed out, but I don't know. I just don't know. This is held up though. Plasti-Dip button, although see it's not perfectly done. It needs to be done. You can see the Plasti-Dip residue here. So you don't notice that like during the day and stuff. Makes me think maybe this ought to all be Plasti-Dip. This thing needs to be painted too. And the rims definitely black it all out.